Breaking down homophones. The words that sound alike but mislead the most. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a captivating topic. Homophones. These are words that sound the same but have different meanings and may also have different spellings. Homophones can often be the source of common confusions in the English language, but don't worry. We're here to tackle them together, focusing specifically on the frequently confused ones. So, what are homophones, exactly? They're words that sound alike, even if they have different spellings and meanings. Some classic examples are to, and to. All sound the same, right? But their meanings and usages are distinct. This is the essence of homophones. They are tricky, but understanding them is a significant step toward mastering English. Now, let's get to the meat of the topic. We'll explore a list of homophones that are most often mixed up. Keep in mind, context is king in figuring out which word to use. 1. There. There is possessive, there indicates a location, and there is a contraction of they are. 2. Your shows possession, while your is a contraction of you are. 3. Its is possessive, and its is a contraction of it is, or it has. 4. Stationary. Stationary means immobile or unchanging, while stationary refers to writing materials. 5. Complement. Complement means something that completes or goes well with something. On the other hand, compliment means a polite expression of praise or admiration. Let's put these homophones into action. The best way to remember the correct usage is to see them in context. 1. Their dog is over there, and they're coming to fetch him. 2. Your coat is on the chair, and you're the only one who can wear it. 3. The dog is wagging its tail because it's happy. 4. The car remained stationary while I bought some stationery. 5. The blue dress is a perfect compliment to her eyes, and it's a compliment when someone says so. And there we have it, folks. These are some of the most frequently confused homophones in English. Remember, homophones can be tricky, but with practice and context, they become less daunting. Try using these words in your daily conversations, and you'll get the hang of them in no time. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your understanding of English homophones. Stay curious, keep learning, and as always, happy exploring.